What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alika. If you are new, welcome. Today I am going to try out the eyebrow henna that I just bought from Amazon. I don't know if you guys seen this going around. I know I'm late to the party, but this is from Amazon. It is by MINA. It's the eyebrow henna. I got this one in dark brown. We're gonna try this out today and see if it works for oily skin. If you're like me, your oil slick by the end of the day, and I want to see if this works. So yeah, stick around. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to do this the way I usually do my brows, but first it says to use a half a spoon, which they give you in the box. Dip it into the powder and use the measuring cup and the dropper to drop the water. So you take half a spoon of the henna, put 4 drops, a few drops. So I guess you have to use your discretion as far as how many drops you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this the way I usually do my brows, which is with an angled brush. And I usually use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I'll actually post it in the cards of what I usually do for my brows. But they say to take the little spoon they provide you with, dip it into the satchel, and get half of the spoon like that. You can't see that? Oh well. Get half of the spoon, put it in the little measuring cup, and then take your dropper that they give you. All these tools come into it in the box. Take a few drops of water and add it to your measuring cup. I'm gonna do 4 because I don't know how much to do. Okay, let's do 5. Let's do 5, and it says mix 5 to 10 minutes for it to be dissolved. So once this is mixed, I will be back. So it says to clean your skin. I have nothing on my skin. Face is completely washed. I'm just going over my eyebrows again because, like I said, I have oily skin. So I want to make sure nothing is there that's going to disturb the henna. I've got it as smooth as I'm going to get it. So I'm going to take my angled brush, clean it off a little bit. I'm going to dip my angled brush into the henna, and I'm going to outline it just like I would as if I'm doing my actual brows, like I usually do. Excuse the mirror, but I cannot see. So I'm going to take my little spoolie and we're going to get it in. This is supposedly it's supposed to last up to 6 weeks. We're going to see about that with this oily skin that I have. So I'm just dip my angled brush into the actual container. Get some of the product off. Oh, I'm scared. And then just go in like I usually do. I don't have the little white substance that I was seeing people use to outline their brows. So this is the next best. So this is the next best thing. Hopefully, if I need to, I can use some concealer to clean up my brows. I don't know. We'll see. I'm scared. I don't even know how long this is going to take to dry. They say leave it on up to 15 minutes. So hopefully I can get these filled in within the 15 minutes. I don't think I'm going to do like I usually do when I kind of feather out the front of my brow. I'm just going to do the remainder of the brow with this. And then once I wipe this all off, then I'll go back in and feather it with like a pencil. So we get that faded brow in the front. We don't want that blunt brow That's not cute. I don't know about this. This seems real patchy. But I'm going to keep trying to fill this in. I'm scared. I feel like it's going to be so patchy. Can you see this little spot right here? That little spot does not want to fill in. Okay, so I think I have it on as best as I'm going to get it. It says to keep it on 10 to 15 minutes. Pretty sure this one's been at least 10 minutes, but I'm going to try to do another 10 so this one can catch up. One might be darker than the other, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll come back in about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. I think I went a little bit too long, but oh well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it with a paper towel with some warm water on it, because I don't have a cleanser other than a makeup remover, and I don't really want to disturb the henna, so I'm gonna try the water first. Let's see. Probably just try to soak it up a little bit. Definitely am missing some here, so I'd have to fill that in. This is supposed to be dark brown. Not really seeing dark brown. I'm seeing so much more green than brown. Let me see if I can use a pencil. This one is the Minted pencil. I forgot what color or shade this is in, but let's see. Alright, so it's Monday, and I will keep you guys posted. Like I said, I'll come back at probably the end of the week to see how long it lasted, if it faded any, and how often I actually have to fill my brows in. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to fill it in every day, because like I said, it doesn't really seem like to have done too much. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like at the end of the week. I decided to show you guys what my eyebrows were looking like before I hopped in the shower. This is the next day after doing henna. It feels like if I go like this, it'll just wipe right off, but really hasn't. So I guess we'll see what happens when I wash my face. I'll see you guys later. So here are what my eyebrows are looking like after the first full wash of my face. I tried not to wash my face too vigorously around my eyebrows. I tried to just let the water run over my forehead and wash my face like I usually do below that. Um, I highly doubt this is going to last for up to 6 weeks. I doubt it's going to make the whole week, but I will put some eyebrow pencil on now and then check back in with you guys later. Bye. Eyebrows for the day. Definitely have to use a little bit more pencil than I did yesterday when I first applied the henna. Definitely not as pigmented as I usually get when I use my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. But I mean, it's cool. It's okay. It's pencil, which I'm not really used to, so we'll see how long this lasts throughout the day. Yeah, I will check back in again later. Okay, so final thoughts. This is not really something you want to try if you have oily skin like myself, and my fan is on. Hold on one second. This isn't a really good product for people with oily skin like myself. Am I surprised? No. Am I disappointed? A tad. Only because, like I said, I wanted to be using this for a replacement of the microblading process and what I usually do with my own brows on a day-to-day. It did wear off after like the third day. It didn't last a week, which I wasn't really expecting it to. Kind of had a high hope for it to last that long, but it didn't. This is really something for people that have brows already that are maybe a little bit sparse and want to fill it in and try to not use as many products as they usually do. Will I be doing this again? Maybe. I'll try it again and probably keep it on a little bit longer than I did. I will try to see if it does any better with it being on for a longer period and then wiping it off. But yeah, not too surprised, not too disappointed, but slightly am. But yeah, I'll keep searching for other products that are good for oily skin, and I will get back to you guys with it. But yeah, please stick around, watch some more videos. I greatly appreciate you sticking around to watch this one. But yeah, if you like makeup reviews, doing little easy makeup for every day, also clothing hauls and reviews, please subscribe, hit the like button on this video, and watch some more. Until the next one, guys, be blessed.